Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
That's right, it's Friday night in the big sky. We're going to start off by showing you how Friday morning started up there by northeast corner of the state between Circle and Ritchie. This is on the Switzer Ranch, and as you'll see, this is a picture from KCN. And take a look at this. This side is Fahrenheit, and there's 40. That notch there is 50 below zero. Over in Celsius, it's like 45 below zero. Well, that's where they actually start switching. Wow, how cold was that, huh? Well, take a look at this next picture we got coming up. This is of the sunset last night, I think, by Kurt Robertson. This is over by Columbus, looking out towards the Beartooth Mountains. Very pretty. Did you remember that golden hue we had out there? Just gorgeous. Now, here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. Currently, we have 4 degrees above zero. Temperatures have been falling fairly fast. We have mostly cloudy skies. Northeast wind at 17 gives you a wind chill factor now that feels like 16 below zero. So, yeah, we're getting ready to go back down below zero again tonight. 20 degrees is our high temperature. 4 degrees is our current temperature and also the coldest of the day. You'll notice your normal high 39, the record, that was 68 back in 1954. Record low was 33 below zero back in 1936. And as far as precipitation, nothing new to add to the total. So for today, we're right where we need to be at 0.120 inches. And you'll notice here for the year, we're at 1.04, I should say 1.07 inches, and just need to be at 0.6 of an inch to be caught up to average. So obviously we're headed normal there. Doing a little bit better. Current temps around the state. Well, look at this. Already, these are the reported low temperatures last night. 43 below zero over at Williston. Teens, 20s, and 30s across the high line. Of course, in Billings, 4 degrees is our current reported low temperature. That's because earlier this morning we were at 8. Now, since then, we've kind of dropped a little bit farther. But let me show you what else we had. Our current temps around the state into the sub-zero range across the high line until you get to Williston, North Dakota. They're at 10 below zero. We're still above zero in the southwest, but we're starting to fall pretty fast. 21 over at Missoula right now. Wind chill factors, they're just really cold. 32 below zero is what it feels like at Cutbank. 20s below zero here, 17 below zero at Miles City. Here in Billings, it feels like 16 below zero. Just about everybody beginning to feel like below zero in south central Montana. And as you'll see, our threat board is really getting pretty full. Winter weather advisory in the northwest, 2 to 4 inches of snow at Missoula, 3 to 6 inches in Kalispell. That's a winter storm warning. We have wind chill factors all the way across the northern high line, and look up 2 to 6 inches of snow there. Blowing snow tomorrow as well. Then back here in eastern Montana, wind chill factors to 35 below zero. Doppler radar shows you a few scattered snow showers starting to push their way in from Missoula to Kalispell on over to Glasgow. That's following a jet stream in. That's where your next storm is right now. And so at the surface, we have the cold front pushing down here, allowing that cold air to drop in. Then your snow is going to overrun that cold air, and all that moisture starts turning into snow in the western part of the state and also along the high line. Then by the time Sunday gets here, Saturday afternoon, you'll see some scattered snow showers moving in here. And then that whole snow on Sunday will start sliding its way in towards the Dakotas, and still another batch of snow starts moving into the west on Sunday evening. So as far as snowfall amounts, we're looking at maybe light stuff for the Billings area, maybe 1 to 2 inches to 2 to 4 inches out in the west. But here's what you'll see tonight. Temps cooling back down, I see, into the sub-zero range for our area. 6 below in Billings, same thing in Miles City, 11 below at Sydney. Then tomorrow we're back to the sub-zero range for high temps, above and below zero out in the far west, also into the single digits above and below zero. Still going to be about 10 degrees for the high temperature there tomorrow. Just kind of a cold day. In fact, here in Billings tonight, it'll be 6 below zero under a partly cloudy sky. 30% chance for some evening snow showers. Then tomorrow, we warm up to 0, up to 5 on Sunday, 12 on Monday, and then we start warming our way all the way up into the 20s by Thursday and Friday. We just about a chance of snow every day except on Tuesday. Let's go back to the desk.